What if I told you the stock market has created more millionaires than any lottery ever could? Yet, most people hesitate to invest because of fear, misinformation, or knowing where to start. But here's the kicker. Every day you wait, you lose more than you realize. Stick around, because in the next 8 minutes, I'll reveal if the stock market is your golden ticket or just a pipe dream. The problem? Why most people stay poor. Let's face it, most people avoid the stock market like a high-stakes casino. Why? Because they've been burned, or they've heard stories of others who have. That fear is real. But here's what's crazier. Avoiding it is more dangerous than trying it. Think about this. Inflation eats away at your money every year, like a silent thief in the night. $1 today will buy less tomorrow. So if your money isn't growing, it's dying. And don't get me started on saving accounts. The national average interest rate is less than 1%. Compare that to the S&P 500, which historically returns around 10% annually. Do the math. Where would you rather park your cash? But before you start imagining Lambos and mansions, let me tell you, the stock market isn't a shortcut. It's a tool. And whether it builds or breaks you depends on how you use it. Let's dive into that next. The solution. How wealth is built in the market. Here's the secret. The stock market doesn't make you rich overnight. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. But it's one of the few races where time is on your side. Let me show you how. Here's the secret. The stock market doesn't make you rich overnight. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. But it's one of the few races where time is on your side. Let me show you how. Compound growth is your best friend. Imagine investing $200 a month starting at 18. By the time you're 65, you'll have over $1 million. But here's the twist. If you waited until 30 to start, you'd have less than half of that. I think I have $167,000, so I'm a socialist and a freak of nature. This year, I'm dropping lessons in school to help pay for the rest of my schooling. I'm too excited to do this. Then there's diversification. Ever heard the phrase, don't put all your eggs in one basket? In the market, this isn't just advice. It's survival. Spreading your investments reduces risks and smooths out those gut-wrenching dips. Sure, the market has its scary moments, but remember this, historically, it always bounces back stronger. But wait, if it's that simple, why isn't everyone rich? Let's tackle that elephant in the room next. The payoff, turning knowledge into wealth. The truth is, most people don't get rich in the stock market because they fall into traps, panic selling, chasing trends, or expecting instant results. Remember March 2020? The market crashed and people panicked. Those who sold at the bottom were locked in losses, but those who held or even bought more saw incredible returns within months. And then there's a mindset. The stock market rewards discipline and punishes greed. Your emotions are your worst enemy. That's why having a plan is non-negotiable. The wealthy play the long game. They don't just invest money, they invest patience, strategy, and time. And you can too. So, can the stock market make you rich? Yes, but only if you're willing to work with it, not against it. And now that you know the basics, there's one key ingredient left. If you want to take this to the next level, you need to understand the power of compounding. It's the ultimate wealth-building machine. Check out my next video, The Magic of Compounding, How Small Investments Grow Big, where I break it all down for you, step by step. Click here to watch it now. End screen appears with clickable links to the suggested video and a subscribe button. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Your future self will thank you.